अब बहुत सी लोग अब ये बात कर रहे हैं कि जी पहले जैसे ड्रामे अब नहीं बन रहे, और
हाँ।
बहुत से बी या सी ग्रेड ड्रामे जो हैं उनको बहुत से व्यूज़ मिल जाते हैं, तो वो एक बेंचमार्क बन जाता है कि अच्छा ये अच्छे ड्रामे हैं, इनको ये व्यूज़ मिल रहे हैं, ये पॉपुलर हैं, ऐसे और ड्रामे बनाओ।
वो दैट्स नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट्स ग्लोबली जो चेंज आया ना, ग्लोबली जितना सुपरफिशियल लोग हो गए
हम्म
सोशल मीडिया की वजह से, they are definitely we're definitely not making those simple dramas that we did 12 years ago.
हम्म
Because times have changed, your awam has changed, your audience has changed. They want that instant gratification, they want those punchlines, they want that and that's why those numbers, I mean,
हम्म
audience कहेगी कि नहीं हमें वो simple कहानियां चाहिए. Parvarish was a
या
simple
सिंपल
kahani
सिंपल
and it worked. Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum worked because it was simple.
सिंपल
You know, they loved the fact that shalwar or t-shirt mein aa rahi hai, but that was, everyone's done that before.
या
But it had been so long before they'd seen that something real again had come on screen and it like jumped out.
हम्म
कि हाँ तो audience है for that stuff. हाँ क्यों नहीं बन रहा, क्योंकि writers have also hit a dead end. कितना उस तरह लिखे, same writers.
एब्सोल्युटली
So, and the new writers don't have that same aesthetic and
या
value system, not value system, but that same aesthetic that the older writers had. So, but Parvarish was really, I really want to mention that I was really happy to see what Napa turned out to be.
एब्सोल्युटली या
And the gems they gave us,
सच
from the
गुड
writer to
परफॉर्म
the
या
director to the, you know, two really powerful actors.
या
Napa was quite amazing in doing that.
या
And it's so important to have institutions like that, that with teachers and gurus like that. I mean, you
बिल्कुल
had all our legendary actors and writers and directors who were the ustads of these guys. So I hope we have something like that again, because it makes a huge
huge
difference.
difference. So Sonam, why did it take you 7 years to come back to television?
Why did it take me 7 years? Because the two, three scripts came my way. I didn't like them. One script came my way, but I had Shandur dates. Another script came my way, but I had Jo Bache Sang
So
Samet Lo dates.
coincidental.
So yeah, the film happened, COVID happened. उसमें 2 साल
हो
निकल
गया
गए,
इस
तो
तरह वक्त
इस
वक्त गुजर
तरह,
गया
हाँ इस तरह वक्त गुजर 4 साल इन सीरीज में गुजर गए थे. इसलिए नॉट कि मैं अब टीवी पे काम नहीं करूंगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. इट जस्ट हैपेंड टू बी.
this happened. So let's talk
Yeah.
about Shandur. हो क्या रहा है अब post May? Things are tough between India and Pakistan.
Post May just changed the whole
Changed
game.
the whole
It
world,
changed
right?
everything.
For us, it
Yeah.
changed a lot of things. और
Yeah.
Shandur भी पाक हुआ हुआ है, तैयार है.
Yeah.
Project है ना? It's completely ready. जो बचे हैं संग समेट लो
It's ready.
is also ready.
Pretty much. Yeah.
And pretty much. और ये दोनों we're waiting. So
Yeah. Beats me. We have no idea.
your work is done on
Well,
both.
I asked the team the other day कि अब जो ये जो फिल्म फवाद और उनकी वानी कपूर की जो
Abeer Gulal, yeah.
डिले हो गई थी, now they're releasing it but not in India, but they'll release it here.
Yeah.
And and Hanya's film, the fact that it was released here, that was amazing. I mean, what a star Diljit is.
Yeah.
That was brave. That was the right thing to do. That was a sensible thing to do, and almost honorable.
It was, yeah.
You know, so I think now that I think he gave everyone the confidence who that was in a similar situation like that.
नुकसान उठाया लेकिन.
नुकसान तो उठाया, लेकिन उससे कम उठाया ना कि बिल्कुल ही ना आप रिलीज करें. War makes नुकसान तो होता है war में. So the fact that they went ahead with it, the producers went ahead with it, it changed something about the way we perceived. He basically made it look like art is, well, it wasn't him, it was the producers, because they had high stakes, but it kind of gave people the confidence and the strength to be like, let's put that aside. The Pakistani actor hai to ban them forever, Indian actor to ban them forever. It's like, move on, आप लोग अपना करें, हम लोग let us still do what we've done, because लोगों के पैसे लगे हैं, time लगा है.
So what's your take on that?
I think it was a great move that they released the film.
No, not that.
Oh.
India, Pakistan working together and these projects that are now waiting.
Well, it has changed the way we've all thought of things, because
Yeah.
I think, May made us rethink a lot of things the way we were initially gung-ho about it, not because we're hungry for that fame, just because we're hungry for art to collaborate and for artists to just work together.
Yeah.
Because we've seen those times. We always talk about this. It's like a घिसा हुआ record. Kara Film Festival जब होता था, वो लोग
बिल्कुल.
आते थे, हमारी
Yeah.
फिल्में जाती थी, opportunities. It's just great to see. क्योंकि ज़बान एक है, इसलिए वो देश हमारे साथ जुड़ा हुआ होता है. अगर ज़बान और होती या हमारे इंग्लिश फिल्में उस तरह चलती, then we'd be back and forth with other countries.
Yeah.
But we're limited to this country only right now because it's the same culture pretty much. So, but after May, yeah, maybe we're all taking a step back for now.
Yeah.
There's no need. Also because of the way we saw, not just the way we saw that entire country react to what was happening. We reacted very differently.
Yeah.
There was less hate or less like we were much more tolerant and we saw the bigger picture. I think छोटी-छोटी चीजों पे हम लोग fixate नहीं हुए थे, and that left a really bad taste in our mouth.
It did. It
Yeah.
did. हम तो we became masters of memes.
We did.
I think our meme game is so
Yeah,
strong.
yeah,
I
yeah,
mean, we just proved.
That left a bad taste, so it's like, yeah, okay, see you later. Let's just focus on what we have. We've
Yeah.
always focused here, but when a good opportunity comes for change, we've taken that opportunity just for change. It got us no extra money, it got us no extra fame. It was just change. So now it's like, okay, अब जो कर लिया है वो अब इतनी मेहनत से जो बनाया है,
Yeah.
उसको अब लोग देख लें तो
बनाना चाहिए ना, अपने आप
बिल्कुल
को
बनाना
मजबूत करें और अपनी बेसिस को मजबूत करें. All that.
well, hopefully now we'll have that kind of financial support being injected into our project.
Where from? The government?
I don't know. Well, maybe.
कहते तो हैं गवर्नमेंट वाले, बातें तो
हाँ.
बहुत करते हैं, कमिटीज बिठाते रहते हैं कि टैक्सेस
There are film
कम कर
funds that are now
देंगे,
being
film
released,
funds
so
are
it's
being
happening
yeah,
aista aista.
I hope so. I hope so. And I hope Shandur will find a platform to release on. I mean, I
Yeah,
don't know.
Shandur
it's
is
only
something
like-
that people would really enjoy.
because I mean, I don't know, but I had heard like it would be a kind of Zindagi Gulzar Part 2. I don't know. You and
नहीं,
Fawad
मतलब
coming together.
वो नकचड़ी लड़की from a different background and एक good-looking prince type आदमी from
हाँ.
another world. Their worlds collide. So that's what Zindagi Gulzar was also.
Absolutely.
But it's more like my best friend's wedding.
हाँ.
You know, it's just an easy, romantic
Rom-com.
comedy drama
हाँ.
with beautiful sets and
this was how
beautiful
many
backdrops.
How many years after Zindagi Gulzar hai did you shoot for Shandur?
Maybe 10?
10?
10?
10.
Huh. Yeah, that's the funny thing now with Fawad. Suddenly, 10 years later, we did 3 projects together.
हाँ ना?
Eh?
हाँ.
So strange.
Incidentally, जो बचे हैं संग समेट लो में भी you're together. इसमें भी and Barzakh में, although you were siblings, but चलो
But I
together.
mean, yeah.
But Shandur is a big one. It's a big
Yes.
one. Is the romantic one.
Yeah, yeah.
What was the difference working with Fawad after 10 years on the same kind of a story?
We interacted a lot more on this set.
Okay.
We didn't interact much.
Was this
the first
after
time.
Barzakh का shoot or before, or timeline क्या बनता है?
This was after.
Shooting का timeline क्या है तीनों का?
Oh my god.
All over the place, mix and match.
Yeah, mix it because Shandur there was almost 1 year break. And before I shot, Shandur and Jo Bache Sang Sametlo were back to back in the
Right.
end. It was like 12 days here, do that, catch a flight, and go finish the Europe spell. उससे पहले इस्लामाबाद में था, उससे I mean it was all over the
Yeah.
place, yeah. And Barzakh and वो भी 10 साल बाद तीनों पहाड़ों में. We were like, ये क्या हो गया? Shandur was पहाड़ों में काफी बड़ा sequence. जो बचे was also a sequence पहाड़ों में, and of course Barzakh was all पहाड़ों में.
बहुत पहाड़ों में.
So
Something about
yeah, just
पहाड़.
coincidentally.
And Deedan भी पहाड़ों में था.
And Deedan bhi. And Diyare Dil bhi. I've
Diyare
had a
Dil.
lot of
You've done a
even
lot of
Talkhiyan was.
पहाड़ी
I've done
काम
a lot of
काफी
pahadi
किया.
kaam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh, so back to the shoot.
So 7 years.
7 years.
What
no,
change
10,
have I
10,
seen?
10 years
10 years
between.
baad Fawad and I
हाँ.
collaborated. 7 years ago I did my last drama serial. What has changed? Not much. मतलब the system जो shoot करने का वही तरीका है, वही hours हैं, वो सब कुछ है. Stories भी are not classics. Like you didn't say 12 years ago. 12 years ago, there's a big change in storytelling. 7 years ago, not so much.
Not so much.
Just new faces, new actors. That's
Yeah.
exciting to see.
है ना?
Yeah.
I think it is. I think we have a
Yeah.
good pool of
I see
actors.
people are really tired of seeing like now the older actors are like, bus, अब now give room for the new blood. There is room. अब खुशाल को देखो,
Yeah.
बहुत कुछ कर रहा है खुशाल. And
What's your take on that though? जो लोग कहते हैं कि जी older actors in roles that are better suited to younger actors like college roles and all that.
उनका टाइम आएगा उन कॉलेज रोल बच्चों का. हम लोग अपना लास्ट निचोड़ के चले जाए ना. क्यों नहीं? What?
Would you do a college character?
Yeah, if the men can, why can't I?
Absolutely.
Yeah. I mean, I haven't
Should
had
the
work
men
done on
do-
my face. Maybe if I have some work